Meet SIIG's dual-head Full HD HDMI video docking station. Part number JU-DK0L11-S1. This is a 10-in-1 USB 3.0 video docking station that adds 2 HDMI displays and other media ports. This product has, on the front side, a power LED, 2 USB 3.0, and a headphone jack. On the back, we have 4 USB 2.0 ports, an Ethernet port, 2 HDMI outputs, a USB 3.0 Type B port to connect to your source, and a power jack. This package includes the docking station, a power adapter, a USB Type B to USB 3.0 cable, a driver CD, and if you don't have a driver CD on your laptop, you can always download the drivers online on our website, and a user manual. This docking station expands your workstation and gives you 3 display mode options. It can give you in mirror, extended, or show in a primary video mode. The 2 displays can support 1080p at 60 Hz. We use DisplayLink graphics technology that works with any computer, connector type, and connect multiple displays functionality. This docking station is fully certified to meet DisplayLink certification. This docking station is compatible with both Mac and Windows operating system. Adding a direct Ethernet connection, it gives you a more reliable connection whenever you need it. You can add up to 6 USB port devices, such as printers, flash drives, keyboard and mice, hard drives, and more. This dock is designed to stand up with its included base to help you save desk space. It's only taking up 3 by 5 inches of your desk. This is a great solution to expand your laptop displays and connectivity. Thank you for watching.